Are you ready to be amazed by the cutting-edge technology of 3D scanning services in Mehrauli, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you perceive reality. With their expertise in the field of 3D scanning, they have taken the world by storm and are now setting their sights on Mehrauli, Delhi NCR. From capturing intricate details to creating realistic digital models, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is your one-stop destination for all your 3D scanning needs. Imagine a world where you can replicate any object or even a whole environment with just a few clicks. Well, with the 3D scanning services offered by Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, this dream becomes a reality. Whether it's for architectural purposes or for creating lifelike characters for movies and video games, their state-of-the-art scanners can capture every nook and cranny with astonishing precision. Say goodbye to traditional methods of measurement and hello to the future of technology. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from their competitors is not just their advanced equipment, but also their team of skilled professionals. With years of experience under their belt, they are able to provide accurate and high-quality scans that surpass expectations. Whether it's a small object or a large-scale project, they have the expertise to handle it all. Their dedication to customer satisfaction is unparalleled, and they go above and beyond to ensure that every client is left in awe of their services. Mehrauli, Delhi NCR is about to witness a technological revolution like never before. Thanks to Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, 3D scanning services are now easily accessible and affordable for everyone. Whether you're an architect looking to create precise models or an artist wanting to bring your imagination to life, they have the solutions for you. Their commitment to excellence, combined with their passion for pushing boundaries, is what sets them apart from the rest. Are you looking for top-notch 3D scanning services in Mehrauli, Delhi NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. With their expertise and state-of-the-art technology, they offer the best 3D scanning services in the region. Whether you need to scan small objects or large structures, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has got you covered. Their team of highly skilled professionals ensure that every detail is captured with precision, providing you with accurate and high-quality scans. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering results that exceed expectations, and they go above and beyond to achieve that. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and tailor their scanning process accordingly. This personalized approach ensures that every project is handled with utmost care and attention to detail. With their